Docker 101, how to install Docker on Ubuntu server 22.04. Jack Wallen walks you through the process of installing the latest community edition of the Docker container runtime engine on Ubuntu server 22.04. If you have ever wanted to up your tech game at home, you might consider adding containers into the mix. With containers, you can easily deploy your own services such as the Nextcloud server, WordPress, your own in-house cloud-based Office suite such as OnlyOffice, and much more. If you have never worked with this technology, you probably assume it's too difficult to use. Fortunately, compared to some other container solutions, Docker is more user-friendly, offers plenty of GUI application, so you don't have to always work from the command line, and is supported by Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Also, Docker 101, why you should be using containers. I have deployed 100 of application and services with this tool and found it to be an invaluable component of my everyday workflow. In many cases, deploying the containerized application via Docker is much faster and more reliable than deploying the same app service manually. How do you install Docker on Linux? I am going to show you how to do just that. I shall demonstrate on Ubuntu server 22.04, which means the process should work on any Ubuntu or Debian based distribution. As far as Red Hat Enterprise Linux based distributions such as Rocky Linux, Almal Linux, CentOS Stream, and Fedora Linux, those platforms have migrated to Podman as their default container runtime, and installing Docker is not only very challenging, it tends to break more things than it fixes. So if RHEL based distribution or your jam, leave well enough alone and stick with Podman. However, if Ubuntu based distribution are the way you lean, Docker is not only available, it's really easy to install to that, and I shall be demonstrating on Ubuntu server 22.04 what you shall need. To install Docker on Ubuntu, you shall need an Ubuntu based distribution and a user with sudo privileges ready. Let's get to the installation. How to install Docker on Ubuntu? 1. Add the necessary repository. The first thing to do is log on into your Ubuntu instance and add the necessary repository, as the version of Docker found in the standard repository is not the latest community edition we want. Once you have logged in, add the official Docker GPG key with the command. Second, install the necessary dependencies. We shall next install the requires dependencies with the command sudo apt negative get install apt negative transport negative http ca certificates curl gnupg isp release negative y. Third, install Docker. Finally, update your app and install Docker.